Alexander, it's great to see you.
Hi, Mr. Salmon. It's nice to see you too.
Good. I'm glad we were able to get together today. I understand there was a little math problem that you wanted to work on today.
Yeah, there it is.
Okay. What problem would you want to do? We can do it on the whiteboard, and we can solve the problem together. What problem would you like to do?
On page 270, they're on number 5. I couldn't figure out how to find the surface area.
Okay, let me go to that page 70. Okay. Oh, I see it right here. Let me go ahead and draw it on the board, and so we both can look at it together. I'm going to draw it in black, and then what I'm going to try and do is have you work on the problem. So you use black on the whiteboard, and I'm going to use red, and that way we can tell who did what. But let me go ahead and draw the problem in it. Don't draw anything on there now. Okay, we're going to find the area of this particular polygon. Okay, there's 6 feet here on the top. I'm going to draw it in for you. It's 4 feet height, and we have 9 feet base. 9 feet base, and we have a 5 foot slant. And okay, so how would you find the area of this particular item, this particular polygon? How would you find the area?
I would find the area by dividing it into 2 shapes, the triangle and the rectangle, and then I would find the area of the 2 separate shapes and then add them together.
Okay, great. All right. So let's go ahead and figure out the area of one of these two. Which one do you want to work on first, the triangle or the rectangle?
I'm going to work on the rectangle first.
Okay. So how would you do that, and what's the process involved in finding the area of that particular rectangle?
We would do 6 times 4.
And why would you use 6 times 4? Why those 2 numbers?
Because we're finding the area of the rectangle.
And the formula for the area of a rectangle is?
Base times height.
Oh, that's exactly what I was looking for. Just to see if you're coming in the right direction here. So the area of a rectangle is base times height. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do all the math for you. You tell me what to do. So what's the base of this rectangle?
6 feet.
6 feet base. That's going to be like this red line right here, 6 feet, because we know the top is 6 feet right here. So yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
6 feet, and we're going to always include the units when we figure out the math. 6 feet,
6 feet
times, and what's the height of this?
4 feet.
4 feet. Very good. All right. 4 feet. And we're going to multiply those 2 together. What are we going to end up with? What's 6 times 4?
6 times 4 is 24.
24. And what's foot times foot?
Foot times foot is square.
Square foot. Correct.
Square foot.
Very good. So we know the area of that rectangle is 24 square feet. So far, so good. And when we find the area of the rectangle, then the area of the triangle, we add those 2 together, we'll have the area of this complete polygon figure. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, good. Let's go ahead and figure out the area of the triangle right now.
I'll do the formula.
Universal formula for the triangle is great. Okay, good. Base times height divided by 2. Very good. Okay.
And the base, we don't know the base, but since that is 6 feet.
So you're saying this right here. Yeah, you're saying right here we don't know what that is.
3 feet.
Okay, 3 feet. Very good. 9 minus 6. Very good. That's very good deduction on your part there, Alex.
Observation.
Very good. So you're okay.
This is 3 feet.
So we have base, which is 3 feet, and I'm going to use rest. You see that I'm the one who's writing. 3 feet times the height of, what's the height of the triangle?
5 feet.
It's actually 4 feet. Right? See the 4, I just drew it, the height of it right there. That's the same as
right here.
That's 4 feet right here, correct?
Oh yeah,
We're not talking about the hypotenuse. We don't need to worry about that at this point. But we just want to know the height of the triangle, which is 4 feet, which is the right side of the rectangle, which is the same as the height of the rectangle, 4 feet.
Yeah.
All right, so we have 3 feet times 4 feet divided by 2, correct?
Yes.
Okay, what's the numerator on this particular?
The numerator is 3 feet times 4 feet, which would be 12, and then we do 12 divided by 2, which would be 6 feet squared.
Okay, 6 square feet. Very good, by the way. Divided by 2. Answer is 6 square feet. And that is the area of the triangle. That's beautiful.
And
So-
then we'd add the 6 feet squared by 24 feet
So
squared.
let's go ahead and add that up together. 6 feet,
That would be 30 feet squared.
6 square feet, plus 24 square feet is 30 square feet. Beautiful. That is our final answer. Well, that's fantastic. You did a great job on this, Alex. Do you have any questions on how to do these types of problems at all for me?
No, that's it for this kind of problem.
That is great. You did a great job. And I'd like you to meet you tomorrow. And tomorrow we could probably go over another similar problem like this and see how you do on it. But you did such a great job today. And I want to congratulate you on that. Thank you for showing up today.
You're welcome.
And-
It was nice meeting with you today.
My pleasure. Thank you very much. And we'll talk to you tomorrow about the same time, okay?
Okay,
All right. Very good. Bye-bye, Alex.
bye-bye.